should I care?
From the top to the bottom,
Bottom to top I stop.
at the core I forgot.
In the middle of my thoughts,
Taking far from my safety.
pictures there.
The memory won't escape me.
Why should I care? There's a place so dark you can't see the end. Skies cocked back, shotgun which can't defend. The rain then sends dripping. Acidic question, more story, suggestion. Then with the eyes shut, looking through the rust and rotten dust, a small spot of light floods the floor and pours over the rusted world of pretend. And the eyes ease open and it's dark again.
From the top to the bottom,
Bottom to top I stop.
at the core I forgot.
In the middle of my thoughts,
Taking far from my safety.
pictures there.
The memory won't escape me.
Why should I care?
In the memory you'll find me. As burning up, the darkness holding me tightly until the sun rises up.
Moving all around, screaming of the ups and downs. Perpetual sound, the wheels go round, and the sunset creeps behind street lamps. Chain link with concrete, a little piece of paper with a picture drawn. Floats on down the street till the wind is gone. And the memory now is like the picture was then. When the paper's crumpled up, it can't be perfect again.
From the top to the bottom,
Bottom to top I stop.
at the core I forgot.
In the middle of my thoughts,
Taking far from my safety.
pictures there.
The memory won't escape me.
Why should I care?
From the top to the bottom,
Bottom to top I stop.
at the core I forgot. Taking far from my safety.
Pictures there.
The memory won't escape me.
Why should I care?
In the memory you'll find me. As burning up, the darkness holding me tightly until the sun rises up.
Caught me out, hard back, telling you that I see it right through you. And you got me caught in the act, you bring the knot back. Telling you that I see it right through you. You got me caught in the act, you bring the knot